Okay, this experiment is about the server can and how to float the paper clip here. As you can see, the paper clip is floating on the surface of the water. So now we prepare a detergent here, which is a mixing by the washing dishes gel and some kind of water. So now it's the first try. Hopefully it will work. And let's see if the paper clip would sink. Oh! It sink suddenly. So as you can see that the surface tension of water has been replaced by the lower surface tension of the detergents. So the surface tension cannot support the weight of the paper clip, so it drops suddenly. Thanks.